In Nigeria, 1 in 10 persons will have a mental health disorder, while 1 in 5 persons will have such mental health disorder at the workplace, according to the country's Ministry of Health. Prioritizing mental health at the workplace remains a critical issue, but yet neglected. In a bid to address mental health issues, particularly at workplaces, Lagos State Government, through its Ministry of Health, at its World Mental Health Day conference, emphasized the pivotal need for employment assistance programs.
We actually do have programs. Now we've expanded the programs, and it's not just Lagos State making policies and all that. It's also for individuals, and also going out there to let other organizations that are not government be aware that you really do have to help your employees when it comes to their mental health, so that you can have productivity, increased productivity, and healthy people. Healthy people make a better workplace. So that's what it's all about, basically.
We're going to work on how to bring that out as a policy for government, and we will outline all the steps, the responsibilities of the employer, the responsibilities of the employee, and find leaders, champions amongst the employees that will help drive it. And then when we sit with the HOS and we decide how it will work service-wide in Lagos, this is something we will then cascade to the private sector and also monitor to ensure that the private sector is also implementing it.
The Employee Assistance Program, EAP, is a document provided by the employer for the employees to address the challenge posed by mental health issues and alleviate workplace stress. However, mental health professionals believe all forms of stigmatization must be eradicated, especially at the workplace, if employee assistance programs must work effectively.
Stigma, ignorance and discrimination have been around for the longest time. Unfortunately, what it does is that it prevents people from seeking help. It prevents people from speaking out and from getting the help that they very much need. Of course, we may think that it is only the person who has the illness that suffers, but at the end of the day, we all suffer. As to whether or not we do something about it or we are directly or indirectly impacted. And so it's time that people start to prioritize their mental health.
While launching a part of the EAP, the Lagos State Government urged everyone to make use of the mental health helpline, as this will help gain more access to mental health services in the state.
When you talk to a healthcare professional who knows your background, who knows your context, you have better access to kind of therapy that you need. So part of the things we're trying to do with the new smart number is also be able to allow for more people to be able to provide licensed counseling to those who will need support across the country, across the nation.
According to experts, mental health issue is not just a personal but a societal issue. Hence the need for stakeholders to provide practical solutions to address this menace, as there is no health without mental health. In Lagos for News Central, I am Omolola Ololade.